experiments, DOE training, learn how to use DOE, Taguchi DOE. What is DOE? In general, DOE, design of experiments, is an useful problem-solving, optimizing and product designing method. DOE is frequently used for root cause quality analysis, improving for healthy designs. The goal is to produce analytical and mathematical models so that system behavior forecasting can be done. Why is DOE essential for engineers? DOE for engineers to teach you both theory and hands-on requirements necessary to run and execute the DOE. Tonex offers DOE training for engineers. In a nutshell, through the DOE training course for engineers, you will gain sufficient knowledge and skills on how to design, perform, and analyze experiments in the industrial scale. Attendees like you will learn the principles of DOE and how to use it in a perfect way. You should take DOE training. DOE course is designed for design engineers and quality managers, consultants and SPC coordinators, quality control technicians, R&D managers, scientists, product and process engineers. Learning opportunities. In DOE course, all the attendees will gain enough knowledge and expertise about DOE running and executing expertise, using DOE approach to solve problems, product designing and optimizing, analytical and mathematical knowledge, project quality and efficiency with DOE, understand DOE facilities and use, many other. DOE course topics. Here are DOE course topics which can be tailored to meet clients' need. Introduction to Design of Experiments, DOE. Making a plan with DOE. Analyzing and problem solving with DOE. Confounding and Taguchi DOE. More. Want to learn more about DOE? Log on to tonex.com for DOE course and workshop detail.